Hey everyone, welcome to FLIKI AI, an AI editor that turns presentations, products, or text into videos. As you can see, it lets us create professional interactive videos for various purposes. It simply allows us to start with text, choose from different languages, and more. This editor also has the cool feature of cloning a digital avatar. To get started, we just need to hit the sign up button. They'll ask us a few quick questions here. And just like that, we're now inside FLIKI AI. It's that simple. Alright, so FLIKI AI offers various options like creating videos from ideas, scripts, URLs, presentations, plus editing and recording features. Let's make a video. We can also generate audio using a prompt. The prompt gives us two buttons, one for automatic generation and another for online search. Here we set the duration, let's say 30 seconds, and we can upload files if needed. Next we choose files for the AI to use as information sources. Now let's pick this one. The Martian style's fun, but a formal presentation makes more sense. We'll choose this. Hit next. Select the language and set it as informative tutorial style for beginners. And there it's generating the script with headers and everything, as you can see. The script can be modified, and as shown, it used 1727 characters, which is about 3 minutes of content. Clicking next, we see customization options, stock media or AI tools like anime style graph. For voiceover, we can choose which voice we want. The avatar option seems to be locked behind a paywall. The brand kit would be a template for the brand's color. Now we'll submit it, and it'll start processing our video. Alright, how can we create audio with FLIKI AI? We've learned we can make videos, right? Honestly, all video methodologies are. Even if they're different, the video you'll create is unique, okay? You have a script, you get it from a URL and such, same for audio, from an idea, script, blog, etc. But in the end, the settings are always the same, right? The result and customization you'll get in the end is the same, only the way you get user info changes to draw a conclusion about the video's content, right? So let's create an audio from an idea, okay? As we can see, they're asking what type of audio we want. I'll say the sound of a city during rush hour, right? We can set the duration, though I don't get why it'd be 30 seconds. So if I want an audio to last a minute as a sound effect, I should be able to, right? This isn't quite right. Let's go to next. Here's the language, clear enough, and the script to generate audio. I'm confused. Are we making audio or video? It says here, idea prompt your audio. Okay, it's generated all this for us. It's the script and a voiceover option. Let's hit submit and see what happens. It's making audio. At least it's not a video interface. That'd be wild. So it made a voice, but not what we asked for. It's a voiceover that... Oh, it's a voiceover about city noise during rush hour. I see. It's not a sound effect generator. It's for voiceovers. My mistake. I didn't get it at first. So yeah, there's our result. Shame it can't make effect. Many AI video editors let you do those tricks, like generating sounds with AI instead of searching online. But that's FLIKI AI's limit. Alright, how can we create designs using AI with FLIKI AI? Well, let's go to design here. We have these different options. These options simply change how we extract information from thumbnails, social posts, or presentations. But in the end, it's all the same process. Okay, so what topic do we want for thumbnail generation? Well, let's see. Astronauts landing on Jupiter. Okay, we click next and it asks for language and style. Alright, so we just keep selecting options. It generates the prompt automatically. Got it? We can regenerate or edit it. I'll just hit next. It shows astronauts planting a flag on Jupiter, and it'll generate that using AI. So we'll click submit. Let's see if it worked. Earlier, I asked for EA content in the video editor, and in the end, it didn't really do it for me. I'm not sure if the template I chose wasn't suitable for it. But if it wasn't suitable, why make me choose it in the first place? It's undoubtedly, or at least I feel this tool was made in a rush, right? Like wanting to release it quickly. Or at least that's the impression I get. I don't mean to discredit their work at all, but... And there we have the thumbnail. Wow. Well, I could say that the thumbnail design, I don't know if it's just a coincidence that it's empty here, but I could say it's the best part, honestly. And it gives you several options. Let's see. The first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, the others don't have an image. This is a YouTube thumbnail. Straight up, this is a YouTube thumbnail, folks. I'll generate another image to see if it was just luck, which I doubt, honestly. But let's see. Okay, it says I've used up my quota credits. Well, I have to say the generation was incredible, huh? It really was, yeah. I mean, seriously, I just don't know. You be the judge. Am I the only one blown away? I've never seen anything like it, honestly. And I'm not joking, you know. I'm dead serious. I thought the text... Oh, the AI provides the tech. Oh, it's not pre-written. My goodness. Well, they've chosen the cinematic style, if anyone wants to give it a try. So yeah, it's just incredible, really. I mean, seriously, I'm absolutely amazed. All right, how can we create a voice with FLIKI AI? Well, we go to voices, click on clone, then clone voice. As you can see, it says we can create a clone that sounds just like us. We just record 2 minutes of our voice, then generate multiple voices using only text. As you can see, we need the premium plan for this feature. If not, we can also create custom voices. It's premium too, but we can choose age, accent, tone, and character in seconds. So it's a really cool feature that FLIKI offers. Finally, let's look at FLIKI's payment plan, so we'll click on upgrade. As you can see, it starts from $28 per month. They give us 18 minutes with max export of 15 minutes. So for $28 monthly, we get 180 video minutes, right? 1000 standard, 150 realistic, 50 quality voices, video clips. It says no premium has them. Not sure what that means though. We have the brand kits, okay? The scene limit, I assume within one project. Well, 50 scenes is quite a lot, actually. Limited AI avatars, unlimited with premium voice knowledge, custom voices, templates, and faster export. They don't mention thumbnail design generation because honestly, this is a video editor after all, not a thumbnail maker. But I found the thumbnail feature pretty cool. This thumbnail is for making and using in a video. Well, here we have the editor. The editor isn't bad, mind you. It's just a template, that's all. You can add audio, graphics, but that's it. It's not generating video, though you can make video. Let's say you throw stuff in. You can make videos with templates. That's what I'd like. With AI generated images and designs. That's where I see the future, you know? Right now, that doesn't seem to exist. You just use a template with a person presenting. That's it, basically. Where I think the future lies is in creating thumbnail. If the FLIKI.ai folks are listening, AI should understand the full context of the entire video and generate relevant images based on what's being discussed. But what do I mean? You're talking about flying cars. Suddenly I'm talking about flying cars with submarine capabilities. You should compare a flying car to a submarine, not show me a marine eco, okay? I've seen things like that, you know? It's hard to explain, right? But if I'm talking about the savannah suddenly because I mention cars, it's very hot inside cars. They show a bonfire in your face. And of course you think, it doesn't make much sense, does it? What would make sense is someone in a car clearly looking hot, right? That's what would make sense to me. This happens a lot with AI editors. Instead of grasping the full context, they pick the phrase for the image. And if that phrase mentions that it's very hot, they'll show you a sun. If you're lucky, a shining sun. If you're lucky, sometimes they even show lava, you know? And you're like, what's this all about, huh? Sure, if you do it once, it's no big deal. But when the whole video is full of things without context in the end, the video lacks any coherence. It ends up being contradictory, doesn't it? The visuals should help understand the speaker. If it does the opposite, it's not achieving its goal, right? So, well, $28 a month for 180 minutes, 3 hours of video. It seems a bit pricey, you know. It seems, considering it's just a template and it's an AI avatar and all that, I get that you can use your own voice. And maybe that's where you can save a bit, but still, $28, it hurts, honestly. I mean, that's what GPT costs, and GPT does this and much more. So, well, hope you enjoyed this review. See you in future videos.